What if I told you you can land your dream job with few skills on your freshman resume? Well, if you're lost while writing your first resume, then you have come to the right place. By end of this video, you will know exactly how to build a powerful resume that stands out even if you have a zero work experience. Hello everyone, welcome to School of Management. Myself Vijay Kumar, and today we are going to discuss about first resume guide which will land you your dream job. So, let's get started. Did you know that the right skill can make or break your resume? Well, I'm going to share a surprising insight that will not only boost your confidence but also give you a competitive edge. So, the very first step is to identify the key skill for fresher resume. Trust me, these skills will basically help you to prove that you are a valuable candidate. Skill number 1, communication skill. Strong communication is a key for success of any job. Imagine you have led a group of projects at a school. Highlight your ability to coordinate with team members and present your idea effectively. For instance, you may write, I led a team of 5 in developing a project proposal, resulting in a 20% increase in efficiency. Cool, right? Communication is all about making connection, and that's what employees want to see. Skill number 2, problem-solving skill. Employers love those candidates who can think on their feet. Include specific instances where you have tackled challenges, like solving a conflict in a team or finding a solution to a project setback. Did you know 91% of employers consider problem-solving skill as a crucial skill? So, when you write resolve team conflict, improve productivity by 15%, you are showing your ability to handle tough situations and come out on top. Skill number 3, technical skill. Let's dive into the technical skill and understand, depending upon your industry, what are your relevant skills. In today's tech-driven world, these are must. Whether it's proficiency in a software like Microsoft Office or experience with programming language, make sure these skills are front and center. Imagine you mentioned proficient in Excel used to streamline data analysis, reducing time spent by 25%. Well, you're not just listing your skill, you're showing a result. And that's what makes you stand out. Now, once we understood the key skill for fresher resume, let's understand how you can format and write your resume. Writing your skill clearly and concisely is a crucial for making strong impression. And here you can do it. Use bullet point to list skill, start with the action verb, and quantify achievement when possible. So instead of saying good at communication, write led a team of 5 in developing project proposal, resulting in a 20% increase in efficiency. It's like painting a picture with words. Keep the layout clean and easy to read. Use consistent font and spacing. Imagine your resume is like storybook. If it's cluttered, no one wants to read it. And avoid common mistakes like overloading with jargon or including irrelevant skill. Instead of listing basic skills like internet browsing, focus on what sets you apart. Keep it relevant and impactful. Trust me, this makes all the difference. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, having limited experience or having no work experience at all. So, the question is how to build a strong resume with a zero experience. Well, many freshers worry about the lack of experience. But guess what? It's all about how you present your data, whatever you have. So, very first thing is to highlight your relevant skill or experience, including internship, volunteer work, and part-time job. If you worked at cafe, talk about customer services, skill, multitasking, and handling cash transaction. For example, instead of mentioning you worked at cafe, you can say managed daily operation, provided excellent customer service, and handling transaction effectively. See, a simple experience can be translated into valuable skills. Second, leverage your academic projects. Showcase the project and coursework relevant to the job. If you have completed a research project, highlight your analytical skills and attention to detail. You may say something like this: conducted an in-depth research leading to actionable insight and a 10% improvement in a project outcome. Academic achievements are the golden nugget on your resume. Third, always showcasing your transferable skill. Identify the skills that are non-professional experience but relevant. Let's say if you played a sport, mention teamwork, leadership, and discipline. For example, captain of college soccer team led the team to the state championship. Now this demonstrates your leadership and teamwork skill. And it's all about connecting the dots. And last thing is about confidence boosting and avoiding anxiety. Remember, confidence is key. Practice writing and revising your resume, seek feedback, and stay positive. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe button. Good luck for your next job hunting. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your success together. Bye for now.